Okay, so Ulanzi created this little mirror. It connects via cold shoe mount or screw thread, and it has these Allen screws at just about every little joint so that you can put it exactly how you want it. All right, let me back up for a second. What is this thing even for? You know, some people out there don't have these little flip out screens so that they can see themselves and make sure they have the right shot. And let's say you like to film your videos with your phone. You don't want to use the front facing camera because the back facing cameras are so much better. So you need to get yourself a little phone holder that has a cold shoe mount, and then you put the mirror on that cold shoe, and then you angle it just right, and then you can see yourself. And that really helps a lot, just making sure that it's still recording, make sure that you're in frame, the lighting's right. This will also be great for those Sony cameras that don't have the flip out screen, or maybe you have a GoPro Hero 8 or under that doesn't have the front facing screen. This will allow you to be able to see those shots as well. But what I really love about this is that it's not intrusive enough to steal your attention away from the lens, which has always been a really big pet peeve of mine. It's like you don't realize that you're looking at yourself in the screen and not the lens until you get editing it, and then you realize, wow, that was way off. So they also have these two cold shoe mounts on the sides, which really helps if you want to add that extra microphone or light. Now have a look at this setup, it's pretty cool. So no matter what camera or phone you're using, I actually think this is a really good tool to have if you're filming yourself.